In this tutorial we will create a MongoDB tool workspace and then use it in our app written in Golang. Note default username and password. We will use the persistent storage option as MongoDB can be used for multiple applications. On its first start, the RabbitMQ engine needs to initialize its data, and for that reason the start of this workspace takes a little bit longer. Let's open Mongo Express web interface of Workspace. Note a GUID of the workspace. Now, in our Golang developer workspace, we will find a task that will help us to generate a sample code to work with our MongoDB tool workspace. We will use the previously noted GUID of our MongoDB workspace. Note that similar workflows are available for other programming languages. Once the workflow has completed, we will go to the project folder and open a tutorial that will guide us through the generated code. The tutorial has detailed instructions on how to install the necessary prerequisites and execute code. The tutorial is built using Python notebook technology and allows execute code snippets one by one. We will first install the prerequisites. If you use the notebook for the first time on your workspace, it will take a bit of time to install some additional Python notebook components necessary to execute the tutorial. Now we will compile and then execute a sample code in file MongoDB. The sample demonstrates a case of creating a post document, its update and subsequent deletion. With Mongo Express web interface, you can view and manage databases and documents in your MongoDB workspace.